Hello world, good morning. It's Tuesday the 23rd of June. Out here west of Wickenburg, west of the Flying E, on an unpaved road, heading out towards Twin Joe Tank, doing a little loop. It's probably about 90 plus degrees right now. 8:44 in the morning. Need to try to be back by 10 before 100 degrees. But anyway, give you a nice little panoramic view. Sorry for the sun. I'll zoom in on some stuff here in a little bit. Just out here, looking out towards Yarnell, Congress, back towards Wickenburg area. Come back around. I'll zoom straight in because I think, I forget the name of that. It's not the Harcourt Halos, I don't think. Could be. Anyway, that's where Smith Peak is, those mountains. But it's just the view around. Thought I'd give you all a nice little view. Have a great day, guys. Compass and Trail out.